Guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to get domain name for business. So let's start. For this we use easymails.com. This page will help you to get your email for your business as well as your domain, and not only to use the address at gmail.com. Instead of this we can use info at yourcompanyname.com, because it's important to look more professional if you want to build a company or something like that. It's better to look professional. So with these emails we can get this. So we are in the principal page. Scroll down and you will find here the packages. We have 4 packages. We have mailer, basic website, standard website, and premium website. In this case, mailer don't give you the domain, so this is not for you. Basic and standard website have free domain. However, forget this, you have to pay a part. For that reason, I recommend you the premium website that is $14.99 per month. This will give you the opportunity to get the free domain, guys. And not only that, guys, with the link description below you get a discount. You have a promotion code there that is 80% off from this final price. And also we'll give you the 30-day money back warranty. That means if you don't like service, if you don't like how it works, we return the money to you. And also it has all these benefits: your own website, 40 mailboxes, live in 2 minutes, security checks, a pay afterwards, etc. And also, guys, if you want to get the domain and your email easily, well, you get in 2 minutes or less, and the help the 24 hours with the chat support, so don't worry about that. So first let's go to order. And here on order, well, you have here the principal page. I told you here is the final price, $14.99 per month, but I told you we have a promotion code that is how to just apply it, and you will look that it give you the 80% off for a month. So you only pay $3, guys. And then in the right side you will find here this information. So write your email address, your own email address, because with this we can contact you instead in case that we have doubts or some trouble. Well, we can contact you. The domain, of course, and your business email. That's important, guys. The information is correctly. Then you have the payment method information here. You have to write your card information, month and year, your CVC and cardholder name. And then you have the billing address. You can change if you prefer, don't worry, you can change whatever billing address you prefer. And then if you want to save the information, do it. If you don't worry. That's it, guys. With this you will get your business email as well as your domain easily. So guys, I hope this worked for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumb up to this video.